Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the cells that show underlines. Once selected, go to the Format menu, choose Text, and toggle Underline off. You can also press Ctrl+\/ to clear formatting. Make sure to check the toolbar's underline icon. If it's depressed, click it to remove. If the underline remains, do not stop. Proceed to clear formatting from Format, right arrow Clear Formatting to remove any residual style. This step removes manual text underlines quickly and lets you verify what persists next. Once manual underlines are gone, check for hyperlinks and conditional formatting, because these add persistent underlines. Right-click a cell and choose Remove Link to strip hyperlinks. Alternatively, use Edit right arrow Find and Replace to locate and replace URL patterns or hyperlink formulas. Next, open Format, right arrow Conditional Formatting and review rules that set text decoration. Remove or modify any rule applying underline. If many cells contain formulas producing links, paste values only to eliminate formula-generated underlines while preserving content. To finish, paste affected cells as values to remove formula-driven decorations and inspect borders or custom number formats that might look like underlines. Make sure font family and size aren't causing stray artifacts. Change the font briefly to confirm. If underlines keep appearing, check for Google Sheets add-ons or app script triggers that reapply styles, and clear browser cache or try another browser. If all else fails, duplicate the sheet content into a new sheet to isolate persistent formatting issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.